Hey everyone, this is Adam from UAV Coach, and it is currently about 99 degrees out. And today, we're going to be talking about flying your drone in hot temperatures. Summer is a great time to get out and fly, but the heat can present some unique challenges. So here are some tips to keep your drone safe and performing well in hot weather. First, let's talk about batteries. My drone is the DJI Air 2S, and the hottest temperature it claims it can be operated at is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. High temperatures can cause batteries to overheat, which can reduce lifespan and performance. Here are a few tips to manage your batteries in the heat. First, store your batteries in a cool, shaded place before your flights. Make sure they're not kept in direct sunlight or in your hot car. Next, many drones have sensors that can alert you if your battery is getting too hot, so pay attention to those and land your drone if they do go off. In general, if you are going to fly your drone in hot temperatures, consider flying in shorter durations so you don't overheat your batteries. And if you can, try and fly in the early mornings or late evenings when temperatures are lower. You and your drone will be a lot happier and the views will be better. Finally, don't forget about yourself. Flying in hot temperatures can be exhausting, so make sure to drink a lot of water and take breaks in the shade or play some music in your car with the AC on. A good tip is to fly from your car. Crank that AC up and always make sure to have an eye on your drone. I've done this multiple times for certain jobs, and it's crazy to think that you can sit in your car, fly a drone, and get paid, while of course getting the shots you need. Another useful tip is to bring an ice box, put some ice water in it, put a towel in it, and bam, you instantly have a cool towel at your disposal. Overall, flying your drone in hot weather does require a bit of extra care, but with these tips, you can keep yourself and your drone safe while enjoying the summer skies. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future drone videos. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.